Thank you, Kira. Good afternoon, everybody. How many of you have had this experience? You go to work on a piece of machinery like a motorcycle or a car, and like me, you get frustrated by how many tools it takes because of all the different kinds of fasteners. Well, when this happened to me, I decided that there must be a more simple solution to this problem of assembling machinery. So I invented UDOT, which eliminates all the fasteners and all the tools and all the wires and all the cables. Now, I'm Doug Sohn, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Sohn Systems and the co-inventor, along with my wife Sherry, of UDOT, which is our patented technology. Here today with me is Eric Shear, who is our chief spacecraft engineer. He has a master's degree in Earth and Space Science and is a two-time iTech semifinalist. Our other team members are Jesse Cohen, mechanical engineer, and Steve Cedio, electrical engineer, both with decades of product development experience. Now, I know we've been using nuts and bolts and screws to build things for hundreds of years, and we've been using them to build spacecraft and rockets for decades. But the number and types of these kinds of fasteners has only proliferated over the years to the point where it takes a toolbox the size of a large footlocker to run the ISS. Now, that all adds up to time out of service, labor time, labor cost, cost of tools, and cost of fasteners, and the potential for foreign object damage. Now, all that worked okay in the old days, but we're told this is Space 2.0, and that means that there are companies like Firefly Aerospace, who are young companies, agile companies, flexible companies, and cost-conscious companies. And this is the perfect environment for the UDOT Quick Connect spacecraft system. Now, what is UDOT? UDOT is an interlocking system of dot-shaped features and U-shaped features that slide into each other and can only be disconnected by sliding in one direction, and that's blocked by a locking bar that locks it into place. And the system also includes the power and the data circuitry, so you don't require tools, wires, or fasteners. So if you install our UDOT panels in the inside of any spacecraft, then you can take any UDOT module, slide it into place wherever you want, and it's immediately locked into place, tied into power and data without the use of any tools or any fasteners. So you can do the initial configuration of your spacecraft with this. You can reconfigure it very quickly for new missions. You can even do repairs. All this gives us a distinct advantage over the traditional manufacturers of fasteners and components. In addition, because UDOT provides for a universal metric, it will form the basis for an entire universe of standardized modular components, an entire modular system. It'll be as revolutionary as when Henry Ford introduced the concept of standardized parts and the assembly line to the automotive industry. And think about the applications to smart homes, to workspaces, to education, to hospitals of this kind of embedded technology. Now, our business plan is to license this technology to aerospace and spacecraft and other manufacturers. Right now, we're starting on our product market fit research, and so what we're asking for today is introductions to and conversations with the designers and engineers of spacecraft. So, welcome to the future of spacecraft design, the UDOT Quick Connect spacecraft system. Thank you.